Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Let us start. So, yesterday we have seen that the concept behind this matrices, we are in that matrices, MCQ, and all these things. So today we see the new topic, new unit. That name is successive differentiation. Okay. So before we start our lecture, at 4:30, we got one link. लिंक कसली असणार आहे तर टेस्टची लिंक, प्रॅक्टिस टेस्टची लिंक, लिंक आपल्याला मी तुम्हाला शेअर करेन. ती प्रॅक्टिस टेस्ट तुम्ही प्रत्येकाने द्या. सो वी स्टार्ट डायरेक्टली द युनिट नंबर. नेक्स्ट युनिट इज सक्सेसिव्ह डिफरन्शिएशन. Successive differentiation. Okay. So before we start the successive differentiation, we just some recap. In the 12th standard, we have seen the concept of the derivative. So tell me, what is the derivative? What is derivative? Yes. Yes. What is derivative? हॅलो, आवाज येतोय? तुम्हाला बोलायचंय का? नसेल बोलायचं वन मी बोलून जातो, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. मी काय बोलतोय, तुम्हाला बोलायचं असेल तर बोला, नसेल तर मी वन वे कम्युनिकेशन करतो.
Range of change of function.
Range of change of function. Okay. Range of change of function. Date wise. Rate of change of function. बरोबर आहे, rate of change of function. In the 12th standard, we have seen the definition of that dy by dx is equal to limit of h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Okay, that definition, that limit, we have seen that concept, and then we have find the derivative. Okay, very good, Rutuja. But actually, what is the derivative? So every times in the 12th standard, we are take that dy by dx. Every times we are take that dy by dx. सर लोकांनी काहीच ऍड केलेलं नाही बरं का शॉर्ट कॉपी मध्ये. 15-16 ची अँटी रॅगिंगची शॉर्ट कॉपी काहीच नाहीये. नाही. आता जर तिथं रिपोर्ट जर वन पेज रिपोर्ट जर नाही का टीवायचा असेल तर टीवायची अटेंडन्स आली पाहिजे तिथे. हो, तसं असतं सर. काय कुठे जस्ट वेट मॅडम. Derivative. So a derivative in that we are consider, suppose let y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to f of x. Then x is called, what is x is? What is x is? X is
Variable.
independent variable, very good. And y is
Dependent variable.
dependent variable, very good. X is a independent variable, y is dependent variable. So what the derivative says that, so we take derivative always, we take derivative always dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Dependent variable with respect to independent variable. That's why we take dy by dx. That's why we take dy by dx. Means in 12th standard we always note that dy by dx. Why always dy by dx? So where in that dependent variable is y and independent variable is x. That's why we take that is dy by dx. And this is called as ordinary derivative. Ordinary derivative. Okay, it contain only one dependent variable. Ordinary derivative, it contain only one independent variable. Sorry, only one independent variable. Normally we take the ordinary derivative which contain only one independent variable. There only one independent variable असेल, so we take ordinary derivative. Suppose sometimes like this, x equal to f of y. So what to take the derivative? What is dependent variable here? What dependent variable here?
Y.
Y.
X is dependent.
So is
X is
dependent.
Independent.
Y is independent.
Independent. X is a dependent and y is a dependent. Sorry, independent. Y is independent and x is a dependent on this y. When you change the value of y, x will be changed. Okay. So what do you take the derivative now here? Dependent with respect to independence, dx by dy. That's why we take dx by dy. That's dx by dy का घेता, dy by dx का घेता. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already we teach in 12th standard. This is basic concept. Suppose z is a function of variable x and y. Suppose z is a function of x and y. Here, function contain two independent variable. And one or more dependent variable. One or more dependent variable. So here function contain two independent variable. दोन independent variable आहेत. ते कुठले आहेत? x आणि y. आणि डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल कुठला आहे? एकच आहे. ते म्हणजे काय?
Z.
Then we take which type of derivative here? Then we take partial derivative. Then we take partial derivative. So when you take the plane derivative, when you take the plane derivative means ordinary derivative. When you take the ordinary derivative, if function containing only one independent variable, that time we are take ordinary derivative. And when you take the partial derivative, if function containing more than one
One.
independent variable. So that is nothing but dou z by or delta z by or delta z by dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Clear? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, write down this is basic concept already we are taught in 12th standard. Write down. Can I go to the our topic? झालं सगळ्यांचं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are go to the our topic. So what is the part? A definition is successive differentiation. So anyone can you tell me what is successive differentiation? What is successive differentiation? Yes. Anyone? What is successive differentiation? Differentiation सगळ्यांना माहितीच आहे. Differentiation म्हणजे it containing dependent variable and independent variable. Then differential coefficient म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये dependent, independent variable आणि एक differential coefficient d by something d by d. Okay, असं असतं त्याला differentiation म्हणतात. Okay, so what is successive differentiation? Yes. Yes. What is successive differentiation? Successive differentiation means what? A continuous differentiate. A continuous differentiate. Suppose we got that y is equal to e raised to x. The पहिला derivative घेतला dy by dx. What is the first derivative?
E raised to x.
E raised to x.
Second derivative घेतला d2y by dx square.
E raised to x.
E raised to x.
Third derivative घेतला.
E raised to x.
Fourth derivative घेतला.
E raised to x.
Continue in this way. त्याचा nth derivative घेतला.
E raised to x.
ओके, म्हणजे अगेन अँड अगेन जो रिझल्ट तयार होतो त्याच्यावर तुम्ही परत एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेत जात राहा, परत एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेता. That process is called as successive differentiation. So write on that definition. When function has been differentiated once the result may be again differentiated. Result may be again differentiated. Okay, and the process can be repeated indefinitely. This is called successive differentiation. This is called successive differentiation. This is called successive differentiation. ओके, पुढे जायचं. आता पहा, ओके. आता पहा, इफ y इज इक्वल टू f ऑफ x, डिफरंट नोटेशन. तुम्ही आता 12वीला तुम्हाला वेगवेगळे शिक्षक शिकवले होते, प्रत्येकाने वेगवेगळे नोटेशन वापरले असतील. तर डिफरन्शिएटचं नोटेशन, तर पहिल्यांदा dy बाय dx असं नोटेशन वापरलं असेल फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्हला. सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्हला d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर. थर्ड नोटेशनला dqy बाय dx क्यूब. इन जनरल nth डेरिव्हेटिव्हला d raised to n y by dx raised to n. Okay, sometimes this notation is changed to dy by dx ला काय म्हणतात, y1 y2 y3 so on yn. काही जण याला असं पण लिहितात y डॅश y डबल डॅश y क्यूब so on y raised to n. Sometimes it is nothing but what, f dash of x, f double dash of x, so on f raised to n of x. So, आता काही आणखीन पण dy d square y d cube y d raised to n y. d म्हणजे काय d by dx. d म्हणजे काय d by dx. So this is the different notation of the successive differentiation. These are the different notation of the successive differentiation. Successive derivative are also called as successive differential coefficient. पुढे जायचं.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके, आता आपण काय करू, एक 1 by 1 स्टँडर्ड झेड पाहूया. 1 by 1 स्टँडर्ड झेड पाहूया. सो वी टेक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल nth derivative or differential of some standard function. Nth differential of some standard function. So पहिला जर रिझल्ट घ्यायचा ठरला की if y is equal to e raised to x, then in general याचा nth डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे. सो आपण याचं जर काढायला गेलं तर पहा y is equal to e raised to x आहे, बरोबर आहे. y is equal to e raised to x आहे. त्याचा फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय रे, डिफरन्शिएट y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to what derivative, first derivative. What is the first derivative? What is the first derivative e raised to x?
E raised to x.
E raised to x.
E raised to x.
X into d by dx of ax. So to get the result, dy by dx, that is e raised to ax into a.
A.
y1 काय भेटलं आपल्याला a into e raised to x, बरोबर आहे. Again we are differentiate y2. What is y2? Second derivative, a into e raised to x into derivative of e raised to x is a. So what do you get that? A square e raised to x. Again third derivative. What is third derivative? What is third derivative?
A cube e raised to
A
x.
cube E raised to x.
Okay,
A cube e raised to x.
In general, yn. What is in general yn?
A raised to n into
A raised to
e.
n into e raised to n.
E raised to n, e raised to x. म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय भेटला इन जनरल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह a raised to n, e raised to x means what is yn? a raised to n, e raised to x. मी ह्याचा वापर कसा करायचा पहा. एक्झाम्पल घ्यायला गेलं, त्याचे एक्झाम्पल जर कन्सिडर करायला गेलं तर पहिले एक्झाम्पल y इज इक्वल टू e raised to x असेल, देन yn काय रे? व्हॉट इज yn?
E raised to x.
to x.
e raised to x. a ची व्हॅल्यू काय रे?
1.
सेकंड, सपोज जर y इज इक्वल टू e raised to minus x आहे, देन yn. सो a ची व्हॅल्यू काय? -1.
Minus 1.
n इक्वल टू n. तर yn काय येणार रे? -1 raised to n, e raised to minus x. बरोबर आहे का? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक्झाम्पल आपण घ्यायचं ठरलं तर y इज इक्वल टू e raised to 4x. देन फाइंड y 50. देन y 50 काढायचा. सो a काय आपला? a
4.
काय?
4.
4,
n किती आहे? 50.
50.
50.
त्याच्यावरून y 50 तुम्ही काय कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? y 50 इज इक्वल टू 4 raised to
50.
50
50.
e raised to.
4x.
सो आणखीन एक एखादं एक्झाम्पल कन्सिडर करायचं म्हटलंच तर y इज इक्वल टू e raised to minus 5x. Then find y of 492. चला a काय आपला मग या ठिकाणी?
Minus 5.
-5.
ओके, a -5. n किती आहे?
492.
तर त्याच्यावरून तुम्ही y
192.
किती किती काढणार? -5
Minus 5 raised to 492.
492
A raised
into
to minus 5x.
into e raised to minus 5x. याचा अर्थ काय? इफ यू नो द स्टँडर्ड फंक्शन, इफ यू नो द स्टँडर्ड रिझल्ट, देन वी कॅन फाइंड एनी वन. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही y ऑफ 1000 पण कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतात, बरोबर आहे का? किंवा y ऑफ
Yes,
1
sir.
लाख पण काढू शकतात. ओके, सो वी टेक वन लास्ट एक्झाम्पल, फिफ्थ वन. So y is equal to e raised to 3x. Then y of 1003. What is y of 1003? What is y of 1003?
3 raised
1003.
3 raised to
E
E raised to
1003.
1003 to e raised to x.
E raised to 3x.
In this way, we will find it for any value, for any positive or for any negative value. We will find this nth derivative. Clear? Means what is the standard
sir.
result? This is a standard result. We know this. This is standard. We know this. Okay, write down. झालं पुढे जायचं.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is now first a standard function y is equal to e raised to x. Second standard function. Second, if y is equal to a raised to x, then yn is equal to म्हणजे इन जनरल yn काढायचं म्हणजे काय, आता आपण जर विचार करायला गेलं तर y इज इक्वल टू a raised to x. त्याचं y1 काय येणार रे? व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह?
A raised to x log
A
a.
raised to x into log a.
log a.
त्याचं y2 काय येणार? a raised to x log a ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. y3 काय येणार? a raised to x log a ब्रॅकेट क्यूब. y4 काय येणार? a raised to x log a ब्रॅकेट रेस टू 4. मग इन जनरल yn काय येणार रे?
A raised to x log
A
a
raised to x log a
bracket raised to n.
n.
a raised to x log a raised to n. तर एक्झाम्पल कन्सिडर करायला गेलं, एक्झाम्पल आपण घ्यायचं ठरवलं. So we take one example of suppose y is equal to 4 raised to x, then find y50. Okay, so y is equal to a raised to x असेल, त्याच्यावरून तुम्ही काय लिहू शकतात? yn लिहू शकतात. yn काय लिहिणार? a raised to x log a raised to n. मग याच्यावर a ची व्हॅल्यू किती रे? 4. n ची व्हॅल्यू किती?
50.
मग y50 किती रे? What is
It's
y50?
A raised
into
to
log 4 raised to 50.
4 raised to x log 4 raised to
50.
50.
इन जनरल सेकंड एक्झाम्पल आपण विचार करायला गेलं तर सेकंड असं समजा की y is equal to 3 raised to x, then what is the y 204. So directly we are at on the y 204. What is y 204? Yes. What is y 204? Yes. 3 raised to x. 3 raised to x.
Log 3
Log 3
Log
Log
raised
3 raised to
to
204.
204.
ओके, सिमिलरली थर्ड एक्झाम्पल आपण घ्यायचं ठरलं. y इज इक्वल टू आपण असं करूया 3, सेम एक्झाम्पल घेऊ, फक्त -3 raised to x घेऊ आणि तुम्हाला विचारलंय देन फाइंड y10. सो व्हॉट इज a व्हॅल्यू? -3.
Minus 3.
10.
y10 काय झाला मग?
Minus 3
Minus
raised
3 raised to x log minus 3 raised to 10.
Raised to 10. In this way, we have find it. Okay. Fourth one. Suppose y is equal to 3 raised to 8. Then find y63. So what is y63? 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 Yes. Anyone? अरे आपण कुठे होतो? Just wait. तुमचं लिहून झालं का रे?
No, sir.
No, sir.
नाही सर.
Okay, so second, if y is equal to a raised to x, then yn equal to what? A raised to x log
X. Log a raised to n.
कसं सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तर y equal to a raised to x, y1 equal to a raised to x log a, y2 equal to a raised to x log a bracket square, y3 is equal to a raised to x log a bracket cube. In general, yn equal to a raised to x log a raised to n. So आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलं इथे. पहिले एक्झाम्पल y equal to 4 raised to x, then किती काढलं तरी y50. So y equal to a raised to x, then yn equal to a raised to x log a raised to n. So a equal to 4, n equal to 50. So y50 is equal to what? 4 raised to x log 4 raised to 50. Second example, y is equal to 3 raised to x, then काय काढलं तर y?
204.
Y 204, okay. Then y 204 is what? Okay, so we got that y 204 is equal to what? 3 raised to x log of 3 raised to 204. Third, we just change the sign, I think so. If y is equal to
-3.
minus 3 raised to x, then
Y equal to 10.
y10 is what? So a equal to -3 and n equal to 10. So what is y10? Y10 equal to what? -3 raised to x log of -3.
Log of -3 raised to 10.
And fourth one, if y is equal to 3 raised to 8, then find y63. So what is y63 of this equation? Y63 of this equation.
3 raised to 8 log of 3 bracket
Okay,
raised to
3 raised to
63.
8 log of 3 raised to 63. Okay. Okay. आणखीन काय मॉडिफाय करायचं त्याच्यामध्ये? दत्ता?
Yes, sir.
यात काय मॉडिफिकेशन करायचंय का?
No, sir.
Y63 is right. Everyone agree? Y63? Yes, Prathamesh. Everyone agree? Y63 is this one. Why?
Sir, 63 raised to 8.
63 raised to 8. Okay, everyone agree 63 raised to 8. Everyone agree? अरे टर्म काय आहे 3 raised to 8 आणि y63 काढायला लावलंय काय आहे? काय करू?
Sir, 0.
His answer is 0. Answer is 0. Ka?
Constant.
Because 3 raised to 8 is constant. Because 3 raised to 8 is constant. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
how you told that 3 raised to 8 is answer is what? 3 raised to 8 into log of 3 raised to 63. How? is 4 raised to x something raised to x? If the function is in terms of x, then we find a derivative, na? If function is constant, then how we find a derivative? So we got the derivative is 0. Okay, write down. चले कळालं काय हॅलो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay so we go to the next so third one hello hello we go to third one Right. If y is equal to ax plus b raised to m, then yn equal to okay. आता आपण 1 by 1 जर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायला गेला तर y is equal to ax plus b raised to m आहे बरोबर आहे. मग त्याच्यावरून तुमचा फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह y1 काय निघेल रे? What is the first derivative y1?
To ax plus b raised to m minus
Is m into ax plus b raised to
m minus 1.
m minus 1 into derivative of d by dx of ax plus b बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
So what is y1 we got? M into ax plus b raised to m minus 1 into a. Similarly, second derivative y2 काय होईल रे? y2 काय होईल? What is y2? तुम्हाला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येत नाही का रे? का झोप लागलीये? m into m minus 1 into ax plus b raised to m minus 2 into already a आहे याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतो म्हणजे काय येणार a स्क्वेअर येणार. सिमिलरली y3 the third derivative of this term is m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into ax plus b raised to m minus 3 a cube. Similarly y4 m into m minus 1 m minus 2 m minus 3 ax plus b raised to m minus 4 a raised to 4. When you observing, we got y4 here is 4 term, but here is one more less. On observing here y3 one more less. So in general yn, in general what is yn? Yn m into m minus 1 m minus 2 so on. Last term is m minus n minus 1 ax plus b raised to m minus n into a raised to n. So your condition is provided m greater than n. So what is yn? We got m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 so on m minus n plus 1 ax plus b raised to m minus n a raised to n provided m greater than n. तीन F ला 2 आणि A ला 1 किती असतंय
बुधवार सोमवार एकदम लास्टला आहे. एकदम दुसरीकडे का बीसीएमई 1 म्हणजे कोण रे?
1 म्हणजे
सुरुवात का तू म्हणजे गडदे बाबा
आहे की सपोज जर झालं ते दोन मी कंटिन्यू करू शकतो.
सीएस 1 कोण आहे आपल्याला सीएस
सर
आरपी
परमनंट 3 ते 4 अप्लाय ते मी घेत नसतो. मी कसं करत असतो 1 ते 3 घेत असतो. So we know the concept of the factorial. Mobile. You know the concept of the factorial, yes. So factorial चा concept सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. So we know that 2 factorial. What 2 factorial?
2 into 1.
2 into 1 factor.
3 factorial.
3 into 2
2
into 1.
into 1. 2 into 1.
4 factorial.
4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
3 into 2 into 1.
In general, n factorial काय होईल रे?
n into n minus 1.
Into n minus
N
1
minus
into
1.
n
N
minus
n
minus
into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Chaudhary sir, are you there? Hello, Chaudhary sir.
Yes sir, I am there. Basura sir.
Basura sir, just wait sir 5 minutes. I will
Okay.
wind up
Okay,
minus.
Okay.
So n minus 1, n minus 2, so on. 3 into 2 into 1. Am I right? So same.
Yes, sir.
In general, every times we cannot write down this whole process. Every times we cannot write down this whole term. So in short, we are just write down here multiply and divide by m minus n. So what is the m minus n factorial? Just topmost is m minus n. Am I right? Then एक term कमी कमी करत जायचे into m minus n minus 1. बरोबर आहे? Into so on. What is the last term? Into 3 into 2 into 1. बरोबर आहे? 3 into 2 into 1. So just multiply and divide by this equation by multiply and divide by m minus n factorial. We get काय भेटतं ते yn equal to इथे yn काय भेटला m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 so on m minus n minus 1 multiply and divide by काय m minus n factorial इथे काय ax plus b raised to n raised to m minus n into a raised to n whole divided by m minus n factorial. मग हे टोटल कन्सेप्ट हा काय m minus n factorial टोटल कन्सेप्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट काय लिहू शकतो इन शॉर्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट व्हाट रिटन एज m factorial बरोबर ना written as m factorial into a raised to n ax plus b raised to m minus n divided by m minus n factorial as m greater than n. ही कुठल्यासाठी झाली आहे y जर ax plus b raised to m असेल तर आलं लक्षात. This is your simplest formula. Okay. Hello. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. आता जर ह्याच्यामध्ये जर दुसरी केस कन्सिडर करायला गेलाय केस 1 म्हटलं उद्या पाहू सर इज वेटिंग सो वी जस्ट स्टॉप हियर. ओके, we just stop here. Thank you for connecting us. Just write down or just take the screenshot.